Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can reopen a complete, done or closed issue on GitHub in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your repository and next to your project and access the issue you would like to reopen. For example, let me set this one here to done or to complete, and after that the status of the issue will change. And what you want to do here, as you can see, it's closed now. So what you want to do, guys, is reopen the issue by scrolling down and by clicking into this button below the comment box. You may also click into the drop-down menu and decide, for example, to close it as not planned. Or select close, reopen, and that is going to change the status back to open, as you can see. However, guys, the status here need to be changed as well from done to do or in progress. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.